Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 1 because we still have s. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left, and you got about u plus 1 equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the s. This one we change by u. S we change by u plus 1. The s we change by the u. So we need to expand this one. So u to the power of 3 divided by u square, you got about u square divided by u square, you got about 1. U divided by u square, you got about 1 over u. This is about 1 over u square. So we have u plus 3 over u plus 1 over u square. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about u square over 2. Number 3, you got about 3u. This one, you got about 3 ln of the absolute value of u. And the last one, that's about negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's about s minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.